All right, it is finally here. After so many delays, the cheapest Tesla car ever is about to be released, and this time it is for real. Not only that, but Elon Musk just announced a new, insane Cybertruck update that will make people regret not buying one. And we also have an update on the brand new Tesla vehicle that no one has seen before, so let's get going. The Tesla Model 2 is the most anticipated vehicle of 2023. Just when you thought it cannot get any better, Elon Musk just dropped a massive surprise upgrade. Let's start with the announcement of the price. On January, Elon Musk tweeted, "Our new car is coming. We are making the world's best small car at an amazing price." He then posted another tweet saying, "Model 2 will be $10,135 for incentives in the US. We are making the most advanced small car ever built with the latest hardware for at a lower price than a Toyota Corolla. This is incredible. We knew it's going to be cheap, but this is insanely cheap." Now remember, this is the starting price for the standard version. As usual, there will be multiple options to choose from. So if you want more features, you will have to pay extra. But even with the highest configuration, the Model 2 will still be cheaper than the Model 3. So what makes the Model 2 so special? What features does it come with? Well, the Model 2 comes with all the newest technology that Tesla has to offer. First of all, it uses the latest generation battery cells. These are the same batteries that will be used in the upcoming Tesla Semi. These batteries are more energy dense, which means more range for the same size battery pack, which also means less cost. It also uses Tesla's latest electronics, the Hardware 4, which is an upgrade over the current Hardware 3. The Hardware 4 has better sensors and cameras for the autopilot system. And since the Model 2 is the first vehicle to come with the hardware for standard, this means that the full self-driving capability will be possible right from the start without any retrofitting needed. Hardware 4 was designed from the ground up to enable Tesla's next generation of assisted driving features. It includes an additional ultra-wide-angle camera at the front and rear, along with improved processing power and sensing capabilities. Not only that, but according to the leaked specs, the Model 2 will also feature Tesla's latest infotainment system. It's the same one they just released for the Model 3 and Model Y. This new system comes with a lot of improvements, such as better graphics, faster performance, and new features like native video streaming and gaming. Another cool thing about the Model 2 is its unusual design. Since it's a brand new platform, it doesn't use the same design language as the other vehicles. It has a very unique look that some people might not like, but that's what makes it special. It's not like anything else on the market. Unfortunately, we still don't know how far the Model 2 can go on a single charge, but we do know that it will support fast charging, which is a huge plus. Overall, the Model 2 looks like a great package. It's packed with the latest tech, and it's cheaper than a Corolla. It's definitely something to look forward to. Now, let's move on to the next piece of news. You know that Cybertruck update that everyone's been waiting for? Well, it just got even better. According to a new report, Tesla has just unveiled an all-new stainless steel version of the Cybertruck. It looks even cooler than the original, and it has some massive upgrades. First of all, the stainless steel body now has a built-in tonneau cover that can be opened and closed electronically. This is a huge improvement over the previous design because it actually looks like a truck now. The stainless steel version also has a new front bumper that looks more aggressive and powerful. It also has new side skirts and a new rear diffuser that make it look like it's ready to take on the world. But the best part about the stainless steel version is that it has a new bed cover that can be used to turn the truck into a pickup. This is a huge selling point for the Cybertruck because it makes it more versatile and practical. With the new bed cover, the Cybertruck can be used as a regular pickup truck, or it can be turned into a roadster with the push of a button. This is a huge upgrade that makes the Cybertruck stand out from other trucks on the market. Plus, it looks absolutely stunning. The stainless steel version is sleek and stylish, while still being functional and practical. If you were on the fence about getting a Cybertruck, this new upgrade might just push you over the edge. As for when the stainless steel version will be available, Tesla hasn't said yet, but it's sure to be in high demand. So add this to your wish list and keep an eye out for updates. Last but not least, we have an update on the mysterious new Tesla vehicle that no one has seen before. Remember the one we talked about in our last video? Well, we have a new leak that gives us a closer look at this exciting new vehicle. Unfortunately, the details are still scarce, but we do know that it's a smaller vehicle than the Model 2. It could be a new microcar that Tesla is developing for the Indian market. Or it could be a new type of pod car that's designed for ride-sharing services. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's all for today. Be sure to stay tuned for more updates. Till next time, thank you so much for watching.